I have a deep overbite. I also have uneven teeth. They look like a bit of a roller coaster. I have jaw problems. My ears hurt, my neck hurt. I just hurt all on my left side. And that's been for like 20 plus years. This is jawtrac, and this is the first time that I've ever had this little procedure or gotten this little appliance. And this is my bite with jawtrac. I never know where to position my teeth when I don't have the appliance, and I'm just tapping all the time, and I've ground my teeth down a whole lot. So with this, it feels more evened out. It just makes me feel a little more stable. The thing that really stuck out to me is he listened, and whenever I would tell him, he knew the right questions to ask. If something is off a fraction of a hair, he's going to go back in and he's not pleased. He just has a passion, and you can tell he loves his job, and he's excited whenever you feel better. He's excited for me to feel better. I see him with other patients. It's amazing, and his staff is unbelievable. You feel like a queen when you're here because everyone is coming in. They all work well together. It is total teamwork. But they all have taught me so much. The technology they have is like quite unbelievable. The jawtrac pushes your jaw up, and it's all painless. You just put a little appliance in, and it does sound too good to be true, but this little appliance opens your mouth up to where your tongue has more room. And I've found with my tongue having more room, I can enunciate better, and I feel like I'm breathing better. And now that I've had the procedure in the teeth, and this is only 2 days, but the way I feel is I'm balanced. I feel the other way, I kept favoring my left side, and I just feel more balanced from the top down. I could immediately tell that my face was a little bit more elongated. And one of the things, whenever I was having some problems, I kept seeing that my face just kept getting more boxy. I have a square face anyway, but it just kept getting just like a box, and just everything looked like it was collapsing. But I didn't really understand what was wrong, but I kept thinking, I'm going down in every way. I know I could not feel like this if I had not come to Dr. Muslin's office.